Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set guided access, time limits, alert sound on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then we're going to tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Accessibility. Then go down and tap on Guided Access. Then go down and tap on Time Limits. Now at the top here, tap on Sound. And go down and choose a sound that you would like to use. Now by default, it is set to none. And that's it. So that's how you can choose a sound. You can also have a ringtone sound. So that will go longer. And so that is the time limit. So let's say if we go to launch an app, and if I turn on guided access, we can also set the time. So in here, I'm going to tap on options and then tap on time limit. And you can set the time limit. So here we got the lowest is 1 minute. And I'm going to tap on resume. So time limit is 1 minute. So when the time is up, then your phone will alert with a sound. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Now here you can hear the alert just ring. It only rings once and it stopped, but at least you can hear that it make the sound, and you know the time is up for the guided access. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.